Okay, so we're here at my Samui Beach Resort and I'm going to show you around our room. Okay, so when we got here, it was a little strange because we went into the check-in area. The reception, there we go. The reception, and no one was there.
And we looked out towards the resort, so it goes upstairs and you can see from the resort, you can see the swimming pool and the other rooms, and there was no one inside.
No one. So we thought that somehow the place was closed, that's how quiet it was. Then luckily we saw someone started swimming, so we're like, okay, so it's not closed, we're fine, we're at the right place. But we had to call a number for someone to come to the reception. But from there, then they were all attending, welcoming, and they said we could only check in at 2 o'clock, which is very standard here in Thailand. So we went and did some exploring, which is in our other video. We did some things that we did in Koh Samui. If you want to see that, go check that out. But yeah. So far, so good.
Yeah.
So quiet.
Okay, so we're here inside the room and Jay's gonna show us a bed test. That's obviously standard thing you have to do when you're in a room, so everyone can see how nice and comfy the bed is.
Okay, so we're ready.
Are you ready? Do this.
Just gonna walk backwards.
How would you say? Out of 10?
Maybe 7.5, 8. It's soft. Okay, it's soft compared to Thai beds because Thai beds are extremely hard. It's hard, but it has maybe a cushion, so it's not you can hear it, listen. Yeah, it's okay. It's nice. I'll manage to sleep. Let's see the pillows. Why are there so many pillows? Okay. Okay, it's comfy. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. We'll obviously review it the next day and tell you how we slept. But otherwise, I'm happy.
There you have your bed test. Awesome.
This bathroom is gorgeous. This bath is huge, huge. It's way bigger than the photos. Honestly, it's like a little pool. And then we've just got our toilet and our shower, which is nice because we've got a rainfall shower. And then we got the room that has the walkout straight to the pool, which is super nice. We've got our own little private sunbeds. Okay, so the beach at the hotel is not the best. The water's nice, but the beach has a lot of rocks. So I wouldn't highly recommend the beach.
Yeah, I don't think you should really swim. It will hurt your feet a lot.
No, I don't think the water's that bad.
Yeah, unless you have water shoes.
So, but they do have a little section at the top here at the resort that's got nice sand, obviously. So you can just relax up there, and then if you want to swim, you can go down. And we will check the water now to see if it's okay. Good morning.
Morning.
So it's the next day now, and we slept. I slept pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, I slept pretty good as well.
So
Nice.
the bed, no issues with the bed. It wasn't, paining every time I turned. So yeah, that was good. So
It was actually quite comfy.
yeah, it actually was comfortable. We're now off to breakfast. So we will show you some footage of how the breakfast looks here. It is included in our room.
Don't expect much because there's not much guests here, so we're not expecting a lot of food. Hopefully there will be.
I can see, like, before COVID, this hotel must have been very full, but it's actually quite nice and peaceful now. Bacon, sausages, eggs, toast. They've got some pineapples, some fruit, coffee, tea, just very simple. I think just because there's not a lot of guests staying here, so that they didn't go all out on the breakfast. They just kept it very simple, which is fine. It still tastes good. Okay, so it's the last day here at Samui Beach Resort, and we've had a great time. Sadly, the weather has been a little bit rainy. It's stopped now since we're leaving, which is sad, but it's okay. We've enjoyed our stay, and we're now off to Koh Samui. So we're going to be doing this full moon party there, but that'll be in a different video.